Welcome to the cooler report. I'm glad to introduce the newest products on my right hand. These display cases, chest stylings, and let's take overall sizes first. For the units overall length, they will be about like 60 inches wide. And the overall height is about like 34 inches tall. And the depth is about like 27.5 inches deep. So when we're looking at the units, they come in with the two big sliding top of the units. It's glass curved on top of it. When we take a turn of the units, you will see we have all the information right here, the running lights and the power lights and the switchers right here, and also the temperature adjusters. This unit is coming with the standard 110 plugs, just regular 110 plugs will work for it. And let's turn around of the units. When we turn into the back of the units, we see the ETL sanitation stickers right here, diagrams, car sheets, and the serial number of the units. Looking down the units, we're having the water jeans. This cover, you can unplug it to clean the units for the inside. And let's take a look at the inner side dimension of the units. For these units, they come in with a 1, 2, 3, 4 basket from the manufacturers, and also have a LED light strip at the front. And the dimension of the inner side, almost 55 inches wide. And the unit depth about like 23 inches deep. For this side dimension, it's about like 21 inches. And the stage, it's about like 10 inches deep. For the baskets, they will be about like 9.5 inches wide, 20 inches long, and 8 inches deep. That will be the all information about the inner side. Thank you for watching these videos. This is all information about our products. If you have more detailed information you need to check, feel free to contact with us.